This evening, ladies and gentlemen, for the original best soundtrack, the nominees are
Ama Achievement in Soundtrack, Viva River. Africa United.
Let's go. But my George is not good. He took a bashing on his head. Wow!
Izulu Lame.
How could there be a God
Inale.
who would allow this to happen to her? She had never done anything but be a good person. And now she was reduced to this, to nothing.
I'm standing here in the middle of my road, and I do this all the time, each and every day.
A small town called Descent.
For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever.
and the winner is Inale, Nigeria.
Across the 7 seas, you know, and climb the highest mountain.
It is my pleasure to present this to you on behalf of African Movie Academy Award. Congratulations.
Thank you. Well, the music actually, the soundtrack was actually performed by Mr. Bongo Sikwe, and most of the songs were by him. So for him, I'll take this. Thank you.
Yes, thank you to Bongo Sikwe for making this wonderful musical. And I just want to get, just to say that you should all go out and watch this wonderful, wonderful little musical called Inale. Take your children and just have fun. It's a beautiful PG movie, Inale. So go and see it. Love you all. Thank you.